In activity 3.11, I'll demonstrate using filter by form and advanced filter sort. So let's choose the students form, close the navigation pane, and you can see the underlying table of students, 102 records, and we see all the fields that are contained in the form, all of the controls I should say. Now let's say that we want to use a form interface to filter to make it easier for a computer operator. Click Advanced, Home, Sort and Filter, Advanced, Filter by Form. Now you end up with a form, and notice as I click through the different text box controls, I get a drop down. So for instance, if I click in state and I get a drop down, I can say I want to look for everybody in Virginia, and then I can toggle filter and notice it's processing, and now we have 80 students that are from Virginia, and I can turn that filter off by toggling it off, and I can go back to advanced filter by form. Notice it says it right here, and it remembers my Virginia, and let's say I might want to check for everybody in Virginia who's an information systems major. Toggle the filter on, it's processing. Now I have 6, so all 6 of these will be from Virginia and have a major ID of 339. Okay, I'll toggle that off. I'm back to 102 records. My tab no longer says filter by form. And now I'll do an advanced filter sort. And this gives me a query looking screen. I've selected state and major ID and populated the criteria just like we did in query. It looks the same, but we're not going to save this. We're simply going to run it by toggling the filter, and we get the same results, the same 6 records. Only this time we used what's known as the advanced filter sort, which gives you a query form like interface. Now I can clear all filters and go back to filter by form, and again you see filter by form. We close that. Here's our query interface. We close that, but it doesn't ask us to save it. And that's the end of this activity.